What's up, Felicity Reds? Today I got some new fire alarm devices along with a pull station. So I'm going to show you this pull station. This is a Honeywell pull station. You pull it down like that, and then you take your key. You put your key inside of there like that. Then you turn it, open this up, and now the pull station is reset. Here's the inside. There's the switch. Here is the model. Shoot, upside down. I apologize. The Honeywell 5140 MPS 1. And for a second I forgot the model and I had to go and recheck that. Okay, so just make sure to close this like that. Here's the back of it. There's the terminals. So there's the pull station, and here is a System Sensor SpectrAlert Classic. This is the screw model. It is the P241575. So that means that it doesn't have the Candela sticker there, but it does say in here 1575 Candela. And then this one here is a Gentex SHG, which it has a reflector behind the strobe. This is the second generation Gentex SHG. It is the model Gentex SHG 241575WR. So this is a 1575 Candela strobe, just like this one here. Yeah, here's the back of it and the terminals. So yeah, let's hook all these up and I will demonstrate them working. So I hope you like my new devices, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It feels so nice to have a pull station now, and I do have some that I am going to buy myself, but my friend Jimmy06 hooked me up with getting my very first pull station along with this SpectrAlert Classic and this Gentex SHG. So peace out, Felicity Red Gang, and this is your Felicity Red Boy, signing off.